everybody, welcome to Community Links. I'm Alice and I'm here today to show you how to make some goop. It's also called Oobleck, which is a non-Newtonian fluid. It's a pretty big word, isn't it? We're going to try it today though. Like baking in Play-Doh, we get to spend time with our kids and they learn all sorts of things when we're doing it with them. We're teaching them new skills. They're trying new things. They're learning some math. And they're also learning some science skills and language skills, because we always talk when we're making this kind of stuff. The recipe is going to be posted later on the bottom, and we're going to use some cornstarch today and some water. We're also going to use some food coloring, just to give it a little bit of color, and some sparkles, just because I like to use sparkles. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to measure the cornstarch into the bowl. Now it doesn't pour very well, so we're going to use a spoon and we're going to put it in there. Just going to put a little bit in there, fill it all the way up. Look at that, it looks so powdery. Get a couple more scoops in there. Fill it all the way to the top. And when you're doing it, you can count how many spoonfuls go into it. You can count how much it takes to fill it. You can talk about texture. You can talk about the color. It's really kind of soft and squishy. You can talk about how it feels. You can talk about the fact that when you stick your fingers in it, it kind of sticks to the skin and doesn't really rub off. Look at that. So we're going to take and we're going to dump it into our bowl. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our measuring cup and we're going to fill it about a third of the way up. Just for a third of a cup. And you can add some more water later if it's not quite goopy enough, or you can add some more baking cornstarch to it if it's too goopy. Put some food coloring in it. Today I think we're going to try this neon pink color. I'm just going to put some drops in there. Look at the patterns it makes when it goes in there. Add a couple more. And then we'll give it a little stir. Just like that. And then we'll pour it in. Watch what happens when we pour it in. It turns pink. The dark red water turned pink when we poured it in. It's going all over. There we go. Now we're going to stir it up. Make sure we get it all in there. It's kind of hard to stir at the beginning. Look at it stick to the spoon. Talk about all the things that it's doing with the kids. Kind of make a mountain in the middle. Look at that. And now the fun starts. We get to stick our hands in it. So we're measuring it, we're feeling it. Look at it drip between our fingers. It's a great sensory experience for our kids too. Ask them how it smells, look how it's covering your hands. How does it feel? Because it's kind of solid when you stick your fingers in and then all of a sudden it turns into goop and falls off just like a liquid. I brought some extra things for us to try with it today. I brought some corks and some popsicle sticks and some pipe cleaners and some dice and some buttons. Anything you can find in your cupboard would be a lot of fun to put in there. I also brought the sparkles. Let's see what happens when we put the sparkles on. Oh, they stayed on top. They didn't sink right away. Now we can try it. We can put it inside, stir it up. Still wants to float on the top. Look at that, but it's starting to mix in. Like that. And then we can put our hands back in it. Play around with it. It's a great time to do it too, especially with it being so nice outside. We could take this outside and not worry about the mess, not worry about the cleanup. I also brought some things from the kitchen. Look at this little strainer. I wonder what happens when we put it in the strainer. Should we try it and see? Oh, put it in, and out it comes in little streams. Look at that. All over the fingers and back into the bowl. It's a great time to try it. It's a great way to spend some time with your children. You can talk to your kids about predictions. You can talk to your kids about the colors and the textures. All sorts of things you can do with it. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. And have a great day. Bye.